Welcome back to Easy for You Nails. Today I'm showing you guys how to do some edgy nails for back to school. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, you're going to need some scissors, tape, black nail polish, clear coat, and some silver nail polish. First off, start by taking the tape and cutting little strips to go on your nails. Then put those aside and paint your nails silver. Then take your strips and put them diagonally on the nail. I use 3 strips per nail. And you want to do this to all of your nails. So once you're done, it should look something like that. Then, take your black nail polish and paint one of your nails black. Then take off the strips right away. Do one nail at a time. And your nails should look something like that. And then continue to do this to the rest of your nails. They don't have to be perfect, just make sure that they're pretty even. Then take some nail polish remover and a Q-tip and clean up around the nails. Then take a clear coat and paint your nails to give it extra shine. And then you finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and stay tuned for more back to school videos. Bye!